How to fix Instagram follow error on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First open Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated, and if you found here update just click on it, and after that if that doesn't fix your problem go to settings, scroll down until you find your apps. This way is only for Android phones, Android users. Go to apps and then type here Instagram. Now click force stop and go to permissions, give it all of those permissions, and then go to storage, click clear cache, and after that just go back and restart your phone and try again. And if you have an iPhone just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.